Scorn is an upcoming first-person shooter horror game developed by Ebb Software for Microsoft Windows and Xbox Series X. The game is directly inspired by the works of H.R. Giger and Zdzisław Beksiński. The player controls a strange skinless humanoid, lost in a nightmarish world filled with odd creatures and macabre tapestry, resembling a living techno-organic structure composed of steel, flesh, and bone. The player will explore different interconnected regions in a non-linear fashion, searching for answers that will explain more about the game's world. The game, thus far, presents two main weapons, a pistol and a shotgun. The player starts with the pistol, a 6-shot weapon dealing mild damage to the in-game enemies. It appears to be completely organic, beginning with the mouth-looking base for the weapon, which can be opened to let the pistol itself be removed and exchanged for the shotgun. The shotgun is a 3-shot weapon that deals considerable damage to enemies close-up, but the damage drops at long distances. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.